Good time everyone, fishermen. Going to the lake, you can tell with scouting, since I do not see traces here that someone walked. Maybe, of course, from somewhere else they came in. They're already on the lake. It will be visible if the holes, and in general if the ice on the lake. Around you can already tell. Full winter. Today everything was filled with snowball. Before this, in reverse, everything was melting. Going to the lake probably kilometer, maybe 1.5, not so much. Here decided to go on such a small hike today. Well, here comes the lake itself. Now I will wake up to see how thick the ice is, and we will slowly look for a fish. Camera motor started. Drilled first hole. Ice is normal. You can walk calmly. Oop is dragging someone. Oh, small piece. Until I let them go immediately, I will not, so they don't make me all the fish there. There will be nothing on the ice with him, so how? Performing water. Oop. How bent? Okay. Here's a bigger one. Holes, I don't see anyone drilling here. Perhaps I'm even first. Ope is at the very top. Again same. Well, he still is for now. Weather not tortured. Frost still brisk. Even that nice to drag. You have to squat. Since the camera set for fishing box, so that the wind does not blow. First wind. Second wind. 3 amakakaka, 4 oraskaka. 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Thingy. 8 perches. Literally, well, what minutes in 10, probably not bad. Now I will move to the opposite side of the lake. There's a couple seats in there, on which I have been catching perch for a long time. So we will not waste time. Go. Switched to the opposite side of the lake. Now we will try to flood here. even without any game. Like this. Another one. These are the midwives. Small but pleasant. Now throw a little maggots. Maybe what's bigger will suit. Oh, there is someone sitting. Wow yourself. When I manage to get hooked, then it's not clear. And there was no bite. All the perches also let go. Right now I'm going to that place, which used to be the most promising. Here good perches pasted. But it was a very long time ago. Right now check. Oh, well sandaled. And came down. And comes off, as you know. Biggest catfish always. Here's another one hit. Oh, what? Pretty one. That's it, resisted, okay. Is nice. Oh, how hyped. Oh, like hit good. On a long pause. Eating a dip. Oop. Oh. Nice puzzle. Hey. That's how it finished. Look what perch. Humpback, oh humpback caught. That's gorbach. That's humpback. Mutant. So I will call the video. Caught the humpest perch. Gonna finish today's fishing on such a huge hump. Put the fish. Heck, not bad. Well, yes, the fish itself is certainly not large, but nothing. Maybe next time there will be something bigger. I wish neither tail nor scales, and see you in new commercials, everyone. Bye.